In this lesson today, you will understand two basic concepts. It is stem cells and potency. Stem cells is a very emerging concept in biology, and it has gained popularity due to its therapeutic role in the repair of damaged organs, particularly in the bone marrow transplant and its role in the healing of backbone injuries. So let's see what does a stem cell means. To understand stem cells, let's just review the process of sexual reproduction in mammals. An egg cell is fertilized by a sperm cell, and a single-celled structure formed is known as a zygote. This zygote undergoes repeated cell divisions, and it makes two cells. In some animals, both of the cells are, if separated, they can give rise to a complete individual or a complete baby. In human, these two cells are, if separated and implanted in the uterus, they can grow to make human baby, umbilical cord, and placenta. Similarly, this cell can also make the human baby, umbilical cord, and placenta. There are different cells in the baby. The baby grows and develops into an adult later on, and there are many different types of cells, tissues, and organs in an adult individual. However, if these two cells are not separated, they continue dividing to make more and more cells by repeated mitosis. They would make 4, then 8, then 16, and then 32. So more and more cells. After a group of 16-celled stage, if these cells are separated, they can only give rise to, after this 16 stage, if these cells are separated, so they can make human baby, however, they do not develop umbilical cord, and placenta are not found. Placenta are not found. But still they can make the complete human baby. This baby develops and grows and develops into an adult individual. In an adult, the different cells or the tissues are found. An adult that has different systems, then organs, tissues, and cells. So cells like epithelial cells, cells like bone marrow cells, cells like some cells in the skin that make Malpighian layer have ability to continue to divide and make more epithelial cells. They make blood cells and make skin cells in wound healing. But other cells like nerve cells, muscle cells, and even blood cells, they don't further divide. These are specialized cells and don't further divide. So if we just look at it again, if this is for instance a cell, it has ability to divide and it produces two cells by mitosis. One cell has ability to continue to divide slowly and other divides rapidly and produces large number of cells of the various types. So this is various types of cells formed. Maybe this has epithelial cells, maybe it is muscle cells, maybe it is nerve cells, blood cells. So in a schematic diagram, we can show this process that cells have ability to divide and produce various types of cells. This ability to divide is known as potency. Potency. Ability to divide and produce various types of cells is known as potency. And the cells which have ability to undergo division are known as stem cells. Cells which have ability to divide by mitosis are known as stem cells. Zygote has ability to divide and produce an embryo. Up to a 16-celled stage embryo, this is maybe 16th cell stage embryo, every cell can produce baby, umbilical cord, and placenta. So such cells which have ability to produce all various types of cells, that include all the different types of cells in the baby, umbilical cord, and placenta, are known as totipotent cells. However, after 16th cell stage structure, this is 16 celled stage embryo, the cells can divide and they can make a complete baby, but they cannot make placenta and umbilical cord. Such cells are known as pluripotent. If this cell progresses to divide and develops a baby, within a baby, there are many cells that lose the ability to divide. So, during the development, cells lose their potency and they produce fewer types of the cells later on. So, in the baby that develops into an adult later on, many cells in the body, they lose ability to divide. Many cells in the adult body, they lose ability to divide. Cells, and they are divided into specialized cells, which have lost ability to divide. And the others are stem cells, which still continue to divide to make more and more cells. These stem cells are present in some parts of the body, like in the bone marrow, in the skin, and are known as multipotent. So multipotent have limited potency and they can produce only fewer types of blood cells. And skin cells are produced by the division of the cells in the malpighian layer. So there are three basic types of the potency: totipotency, pluripotency, and multipotency. We have more examples that include unipotency and bipotency. However, the concept of unipotency and bipotency is not in our syllabus, so we will not discuss that in today's lesson.